Everyone, today we will discuss on Nux moschata. It is also called as nutmeg. As we know, nutmeg is one of the spice which we use in our food. So basically these spices, they are important accessories to our food because it stimulates our appetite, it adds flavor to our food, it improves the digestion and also acts as a carminative property. Now what is this carminative action? It is something which helps in expelling the wind from our digestive system, or it helps in expelling the flatulence, and thereby we have sense of well-being. So that's why spices are used. But if you overindulge in the spice, or if you eat more of these spices, or if there's overdose, two things happen. One, it affects on the digestion. One more, it affects on the mental sphere or the nervous system. And along with these two, you have an important concomitant. What is there? That is dryness of the skin and mucous membrane. So in the skin, there will be no sweat, and if in a mucous membrane, there will be no secretions, and even in a mouth, there will be no saliva produced. Coming to the digestive symptoms of nutmeg, it produces great fullness. There's distension of stomach and abdomen immediately after eating. There is constipation with soft stools because of inactivity of the rectal muscles. And the important concomitant is the mental or the nervous concomitant, that is great sleepiness and drowsiness, with the common concomitant, that is dryness of the mouth, and there'll be no thirst. And along with that, the patient feel very chilly. And the mental and bodily lethargy is seen in following cases, like people with hysteria, especially hysterical females who are lean and flat chested, in menses, during menses time or pregnancy time, in typhoid cases, cholera infantum, also during stroke case, that is cerebral thrombosis with coma, where they have drowsiness and the mouth is very dry, okay, in those cases. And the main important mental symptom or the nervous related symptoms are drowsiness, as we spoke already, sleepiness, and during the proving, uh, it was seen that they reached a state of clairvoyancy. Also, they had sensation as if they are floating in the air, and head feels very large. Okay, so author says in such mental cases, if you have some mental symptoms, you can prescribe nutmeg in high potency, but we should not repeat the remedy often because it can cause insomnia. So finally, the main clinical pointers are drowsiness, dryness, distension, chilliness, and constipation. So prescribe nutmeg if you have mental component very strong along with digestive symptoms in high potency, but do not repeat it. This was it. Thanks for watching.